guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 6. Oh my goodness, we're already like approaching day 10. That's crazy. How is it day 6? Today is Friday and I'm heading out to the grocery store. I've already started my day. I've worked, I've had lunch. We did like a quick cleaning thing. I don't know why I'm wearing sunglasses right now. It's not even sunny out. I think it's like 1:30 right now. I'm gonna head to the grocery store. Got a fun afternoon night planned, so hope you guys will stick around. Subscribe down below if you're new. I'm posting every day until Christmas. Subscribe for more videos and let's go grocery shopping. Just made it back from the grocery store. It was like really hectic, so just didn't really vlog that much. There's supposed to be a storm tomorrow night now, and I was like, oh well, didn't get anything for us to eat because I don't know what you can eat when the power's out.
It's supposed to be bad.
I guess like 5 to 8 inches. 30-mile-an-hour winds. 42 degrees tomorrow. I don't think it's snowing, people. Watch it. We're gonna wake up and it's gonna be like actually it says Saturday night. It's supposed to be really snowy. So it is 4:40 now and I've just been waiting for my camera to charge and honestly just chilling. I painted my nails and watched some Vlogmas videos. Stephanie's gonna come over at like 6:30ish. Now I think I'm gonna go put on a little bit of makeup and maybe like do something with my hair. Honestly, I'm bored. I might just go get ready for fun. Straighten it. Oh, okay. Dylan's playing video games upstairs and he's going to Wendy's tonight to get himself some dinner. I've been talking about it all week. Spicy chicken sandwich from Wendy's. We're gonna hang out. It's gonna be a good Friday night. He's back. He got the Wendy's. Did you check your order before you left?
I felt it.
Oh gosh. He was talking about last night how if they mess up his order, he's gonna be so mad.
They weren't busy. That's spicy. Good.
What's the Frosty? Yum.
French fries stealer herself.
Those are really good. Okay, we've been chatting and now we're sitting down to eat. Stephanie's here. Oh, hi! And we're having a little feast. We got sweet potato fries, buffalo cauliflower. We make them into wrap. Then we're gonna go to Target. I love it. We were just walking by to go get gingerbread houses and we were like, I love it here. It's all so cute. That's so cute. Those are so cute. Hot cocoa party pack. Okay, we found this, but I don't really want a gummy bear one. Where are they? That's cute too. Like a hot cocoa bar. I like these. So we can't find the gingerbread houses. We don't know if like they're out, if we're looking in the wrong place. I don't know why we would be in the wrong place. Couldn't find a bottle opener. Have you done this before?
I usually do it with a knife.
Oh, you've never done this before. Oh, be careful.
This might be a fail. Just like gingerbread houses.
We got stuff to make cookies. Some cookie cutters. Okay, Google, how do you open a bottle of wine without a wine opener?
If you have a long screw, a screwdriver, and a hammer, you're in business.
In all of the above?
Apparently, if you put it in a be careful.
Mythbusters.
Is it coming out?
I don't think so.
Fail!
Next try. So now apparently this is just gonna force it out.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so a knife worked. Where was that suggestion?
That was the first thing.
It's a miracle.
A miracle.
It's a miracle.
Let's have some wine.
You were about to say it too. There you go.
Someone grab wine glasses.
Yay. There.
Okay. Cheers. I feel like you lost some of its sparkle.
Some of its fizz.
Some of its fizz.
Alright, so we need half a cup of flour.
Wait, you have to make these cookies?
Well, we have to roll out the dough to
Just like add
put the...
ingredients?
No, it's just so it doesn't stick to everything. The flour.
Gotcha.
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 Oh, I gotcha.
I should have known that. I learned that in high school.
You what?
I learned that in high school.
In foods?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never took that class.
You didn't? It was the best. Wow. So many options.
How are we supposed to knead this? This is like,
I don't know.
Do we have a rolling pin?
You can use a bottle of some sort. Not that, because that is a no stopper. A salad dressing, but I would be afraid that it would open.
Look on the top.
We probably have
Nope. Yep.
Oh, yeah, we have
definitely gotta be a bottle up
a
there.
bottle there.
I used the Captain Morgan's bottle.
This isn't gonna work either. Were you supposed to like leave it out, like to let it feel it? It's hard as a rock. I feel like I have to like squish it down.
I don't think a knife is gonna help us here.
This is true.
I can do this.
You got it, girl.
Yes, you can.
You can do it. Do you want me to like pull your sleeves up? Thanks. You're welcome. I don't want this to sound dirty, but the more you touch it and the more...
I want to hear this one.
I think they said half a cup of butter or flour. Flour, but this is like so much.
Is it all underneath still? Gosh. It's just a layer of flour.
You guys got this. That was from work.
Thanks.
Well, I mean, we didn't get off to a great start over there. Oh my gosh. No.
It was a pirate ship.
Wait. I don't even know if you can, wait, I don't even know if you can see it, but there's a pirate ship from the captain. Yeah, you can right there. It says Captain Morgan.
We got a star. Oh, a candy cane. A snowflake. A snowman. Oh, a Christmas tree. A stocking.
A bell?
I think that's an angel.
No, that I was talking about. And then a
mitten.
I think that's an angel. I think you're right. It's gonna be like the same footage but different.
Same but different. That's just the water. Do you know what I want to film so bad, but not really, because I don't want to be drunk?
Oh,
A truth or drink.
I do too. I want to so bad, but I'm like the hangover though. We're just talking about this.
But like, it only takes a half hour to film a video.
Yep. This is yummy.
Mm-hmm. I feel like I'm just gonna eat cookie dough.
I know. It's yummy.
At least make a couple cookies.
You want some cookie dough?
Cookie.
Those are coming.
They'll be ready in 8 to 11 minutes.
She just went to check on the cookies, and this is what we found. They look like pillows. Oh my gosh, this is a fail. This whole night.
I know. It's still been fun.
It went downhill when we couldn't find gingerbread houses.
This is how they turned out. And then I didn't put a timer on these ones. I made Dylan one, and how was it?
It was
Good.
a little dark. They're probably
Look at her.
getting fancy over here.
That is a knitted mitten. How it's going.
Maybe some sprinkles. Maybe it'll ruin it, but maybe it'll make it look good.
Love it.
Ooh.
A nice snow dusting.
Yeah, you know?
We're gonna eat these ones because they look good. Oh gosh. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out Stephanie's Vlogmas. She's also doing Vlogmas. This is gonna be 2 videos of you and I in a row. Subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!